guys, Katie here. Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a fun one. I have always wanted to do a video like this, and it's a closet clean out video. So essentially what I'm gonna try to do is put all of my clothes that I own, at least all of the clothes that are in that closet over there, on my bed or just in a pile. I'm gonna go through them and get rid of as much as I can so I can make space in my closet, in my wardrobe, for some new fall pieces. I have not gone actually shopping in so long. Like, I have not really taken some time for myself to buy new items for my closet. Like, it's just something I don't do anymore because I work for a fashion company now, so I end up sometimes just taking items home here and there, but aside from that, I really don't go shopping that often. So what I want to do is get rid of things that I don't wear anymore so that I can give myself a closet refresh. And I'll actually just like make this into a series probably. So this is the first part, like getting rid of stuff, and then I'm gonna do a fall clothing haul probably. That's my plan. Okay, long enough intro, I'm sure, so let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to do is kind of show you what my closet looks like right now in its natural form. This is what I'm dealing with right now, just a large mixture of clothing. My dresser is over here off to the left, and it's from IKEA along with all the other furniture in my room. So these top two drawers are empty, and I gotta figure out what I want to put in them. Then there's shorts and comfy pants, jeans, a smorgasbord of shirts, and the last drawer is just kind of miscellaneous tops that would not fit in this drawer. My goal is to try to just decrease the amount of stuff I have so it can look a lot less cluttered and full. What's going on, pretty boy? I'm not even sure really where to start, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and work on taking all the things in my closet, putting them on my bed, and going through them. So this is the pile I've created just from emptying the bottom two drawers of that dresser in there. These are all tops, and I'm gonna go through them and separate them into two piles. One pile is gonna be items I'm keeping, the other is gonna be donating. I forgot to mention this, but in this little bucket here is stuff that I actually went through yesterday and decided I wanted to donate. So I'll show it to you real quickly. This is a mint blouse that I never wear. It's in great condition, and it's probably thrifted. I think I got it from Goodwill. This dress is too small on me, and I've had it since my senior year of high school, and I even wore it last summer, so that tells you how much use I got out of that one. This was the dress I wore for my first day of freshman year of college. So now I've emptied out the drawers that have most of my shorts and my jeans and pants in them, and I'm going to go through this pile now and obviously do the same thing. The camera's a little bit tilted, please excuse that, but I am in the process of going through my jeans right now, and this has always been really hard for me because I have a few pairs of jeans that I just cannot let go of. For example, this is a pair of high-waisted, light-washed jeans that I got. These are skinny jeans, and I got them from the store Pole and Bear in Greece when I studied abroad in Greece 4 years ago. So I've had these jeans for 4 years, and I've worn them so often, and they've stretched out, and they just do not look good on me anymore. But I don't want to like donate them because they're really not in the best condition, and I don't want to throw them away because that makes me sad. One thing I realized that I could do with a lot of these clothing pieces that maybe don't fit me as well anymore is repurpose them and maybe make these into a pair of high-waisted shorts possibly. They turned out pretty darn cute. I actually like the way that they look as shorts. The only thing is I like to roll my shorts when I make them at home or do it myself, and so the inside of this denim is dark, so it kind of looks weird. I might have to go ahead and just cut them a little shorter. These are how the shorts turned out. I like them a lot. This side is still too long though, so I have to cut that. But I also added some cute little distressing hole details on them. It's the next day now, and I'm going to attempt to basically take all of the items that are hanging up in my closet and put them on my bed today and go through them. I was able to go through everything in the dresser of my closet and get rid of stuff yesterday, but today my goal is to try to tackle all the stuff that is still in there that I haven't gone through yet. So let's get to it. Why am I like this? This is the pile of clothing I have decided I'm going to donate. Some of it will probably go to my sister. She'll go through it and decide what to take. But the rest is going to go to Goodwill or wherever I decide to donate it to. And I think I did an okay job. I probably could have given away more, like I said. But overall, this is a good amount. And I am pretty pleased with the results. Let's go take a look at my closet, and then I will tell you guys what I think I'm going to buy when I go to the store. So it really doesn't look that different as far as the amount of items, but what I did do is go through and take away all of the hangers that were sort of like cheap hangers. As you can see, those are all on my floor now. I gotta throw them away. And that kind of made things look a little bit more just presentable, but I still have a lot of the plastic hangers. I eventually want to replace all of these with the velvet ones like these. Doing this definitely helped clear up some space in my drawers as well, which is really nice. Here's what my jean drawer looks like now. This drawer doesn't look super organized, but it's very spacious compared to what it looked like before. This is what the bottom drawer looks like. I'm going to tell you guys a few of the items that I think I'm going to focus on buying when I go to the store, and things I'm going to steer clear of. The first thing is that I want to focus on buying more sophisticated and maybe timeless tops, like tops that aren't going to go out of style very soon, and not focusing so much on buying trendy pieces that I can't wear in a few years. The next thing is going to be hard for me. I love crop tops, and I definitely wear a lot of crop tops in the summertime and even in the fall as well, so I want to try to focus on buying less cropped pieces and more pieces that I can wear to work and stuff like that. And then I came up with a few things that I definitely don't need any more of. Those include dresses, utility like jackets and flannels, and then mom jeans. I always am focusing on buying a good pair of mom jeans, but I actually have 2 pairs in my wardrobe, 3 pairs actually, that are really great, and I'm just gonna keep those. After going through a lot of my clothes, I realized I have a lot of stripes, and I don't see myself as someone who gravitates towards striped pieces, but I guess I do. So I'm going to try to buy less striped styles, because I'm just going to have way too many if I keep buying them. So those are some things I'm going to focus on when I go shopping next, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a good closet clean out session, and I'm happy I got to share it with you guys. So if you have any tips on maybe how I should do this next time around, or styles you think I should add to my wardrobe, let me know below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!